Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, so here's the thing. My storage was full, and what was happening is we tried to get it off and it wasn't working. So then we tried again and it finally worked. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. And also, green screen coming very soon. Very, very soon. Ow. I hurting myself. Wait, is this straight, guys? Sorry, but what the heck? Oh, stuck on something. Sorry, guys. Okay. And guys, so what we are gonna be doing this episode is using hand puppets. Not okay. So a lot of you guys have probably been wondering, what is this thing in here? And I was wondering that too. And so I did some research, went on YouTube, looked up how to unlock thing in lab. I don't know why I searched that, but because I had no idea what it was called. But it turns out it's called Victor's Laboratory. And so, you know how we got Ogden's retreat over there by doing Ogden Ortiz's quest or whatever. So now if we do Victor's request, then we get him. So let's hope we get him. No, we did not get him. Looks like we have to sleep. And also, guys, I did nothing off camera. Sleeping? Learning. Okay, guys, now we gotta go check. Big dollar, you better be available. So you're gonna get a big old spanking. Are you kidding me? It better be next time. If it's not next one, then I'm gonna be very mad and also very confused. Because why can't we get Victor Humphreys or whatever, however the heck you say his last name? Clock. And also, guys, I already know. Well, also, guys, I literally just had this thought in my head, like, literally 2 seconds ago. I had an idea. So, I already knew this was a thing, but there's this thing called 5-day rush, and it's 5 days in Slime Rancher, where you have to get as much money as possible. So, I might do that next video or this video, depending on how long it is, because I know all my videos are really long. I'm going to start making them shorter, so my storage doesn't go flop in 2 seconds. So yeah, let's go sleep again, because Victor won't ask me for a quest, because he's being annoying. Where you better be available. Oh, my back hurts for some reason. Oh, whatever, let's not worry about that. Explain to me. Explain to me. How on earth have we got the same thing 2 times in a row? I guess we're gonna sleep one more time. And then after this, guys, if he doesn't come up, I'm just gonna do something else. So annoying. Victor. Yay! He better. If he's not in here, I'm gonna be very mad. Guys, I don't know what to do with my life yet. What the heck am I supposed to do? Why? Okay, one more time. I promise, guys. Oh wait, guys. I don't remember if I did this off camera, but I put this mossy tree here over these teleporters, and then I put these blue coral columns. I think I did this on camera, but I don't know if I did these on camera. But I'm pretty sure I did none of them on camera. So, oh wait, yeah, guys. I think I did this off camera, but I changed the thing to emerald, so everything's emerald now. I know that I said I did nothing off camera, and now I'm just, it's been like a week since I've uploaded, so that's probably why I think that. One more time. I promise, guys, this is the last time. The last time. The last time! You better please have something different for me. You don't have anything different? Oh, you're getting a spanking! Why the heck? Okay. Well, I guess today's episode's literally trash because we have nothing to freaking do. I need to feed this little fireball. Because I haven't been doing that really, so yeah. I'm gonna go to the glass desert real quick so I can get more fire slimes. I don't know, just because I want to make that incinerator bigger. That's basically the only reason. Do we even have any slimes from the glass desert? No, we do not. So, while I'm here, I might as well get some new slimes for our ranch. Because we literally don't have any of these slimes, and these slimes are really good. And also really cool looking. Oh, what's up, T? I forgot I got their special thing. I'm not gonna use you. Heck to the no. I'm probably gonna use, let me see. I'm gonna use Mosaic and another slime that has a favorite food that's not insanely hard. And also, guys, since I've played this before, I don't know if this is too big of a spoiler, shouldn't be, but their favorite slimes is Tangle Slime's favorite food is wait, did I say their slime's favorite slime? Anyways, but their favorite foods are the Tangle Slime's favorite food is painted hen. Dervish is pickled pear, I think. Wait, what does it eat? Yeah, it's pickled pear, which is right here. That they're eating, like this thing right here. It's this. And yeah, and then the Mosaic likes silver parsnips. Yeah, where are these Mosaic slimes that I need? Please help me. I need Mosaic slimes. You're not being very helpful. I need some Mosaic slimes. Are you kidding me? Well, thanks for the Mosaic board, and I can just turn someone into a Mosaic. Yeah, but it would, oh, there's a Mosaic slime. Hello. I couldn't know if that Mosaic worked. Guys, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna do this mixed with Dervish because I have access to Dervish's favorite food. But where the heck are those trees at? Over here. I only need one, thank you very much. Actually, no, I need more so I can make them into Largos. And then where the heck are you, little... where are you, little dervishes? What the heck? Oh, dervish. Dervish. Guys, it's probably going to look really cool because you guys know that Mosaic slimes look really cool. And these dervish slimes also look insanely cool. So this is probably going to be really cool, guys. If I can find any more slimes. I'm not having two. Okay, Mosaic. Mosaic slime, thank you very much. And I'm not eating that pig plort because I need you for science. Dervish slimes. I know this is probably very annoying what I'm doing right now. Just literally waiting for a slime. Actually, well, first of all, there's a slime right here. Second of all, I know where we could get these slimes much faster. We could go over to the main area because there's none of the other slimes. They can't turn into larvas because it's just them. And there also might be some, like, literally right here where we're about to go. Like right here. Or not. It's just you little rock slimes. Da, 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 da. Where are you at, boys? You're getting a spanking if I can't find you. Come on. Come here. Oh, I heard someone spawn. Or I didn't. Crap! And then Dervish Largo. I mean, Gordo. Up there. No special effect thingies, sadly. Because that would be very cool. Oh gosh. Is there actually no more? Okay guys, well I guess we're only gonna have 4 for now. If I remember to get more, which I doubt I will. Oh, more slimes. Oh wait, yeah, this is what we came here for. Fire slimes. Come at me, fire slimes. Actually, where are you? Where the heck are you, fire slimes? I don't see any of you anywhere. Oh. The heck? Oh. Hello. 5. The heck are these little boys at? Where are these? Oh, fire slime. I just saw one. Oh, yes, 2. 2. 1, and then 2. So now we have 3 fire slimes. Actually 4. Where the heck are these? Oh wait, I just saw a dervish slime. So I would like that. Thank you very much. Or not, because I can't freaking find it. Where are you guys at? Is that one of you guys? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. You're literally on. That's you. Now we have 5. I know it always says 4 in my inventory, but since we already have 1, now we have 5. Oh wait, no, now we have 7. 6, 7, 8. Let's see if we can find one before they die, because 9. 9 of them now. Let's go. Oh wait, no, it's not a pickle pear. What was I talking about? It's a prickle pear. Am I an idiot? It's obviously not a pickle pear. What was I saying at the other part of the video? I was being insane. Actually, guys, I've decided that the 5 days rush is gonna have to stay until another video. Because I don't know. Just because it can. And YouTubers don't do 2 things in one video. So excited. Oh, and also guys, when I was looking up things on YouTube, I figured out that, oh wait, crap, I can't do it. But if you have water, you shoot it at a rad slime, the radioactive bubbles will go away and they can't radioact you anymore. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Radiate you. fall out. Boy, if you fall out, I said no falling out. Or did you fall out? No. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, guys. Well, let's do this. Let's make it in here. Make it in here. Yes. I just need to remember to get them. So probably always forget to take their plorts and feed them. Corral. No. Have fun. I really want to see what their larvas look like. Oh, that's awesome! Guys, isn't that really cool? Yeah, that's cool. That's very cool. I love that. That's really cool. Now I need to make a garden for a pickle pear. We need to upgrade. Why not? We have enough. Now we have like no money. I literally got rid of like all our money. Like why? Flying around town, yeah. Okay, you guys can give me any plorts? I'll feed you in like 10 days because I'll probably forget. Like, I bet you I will feed them for the rest of this video. I bet you guys that. So now we're gonna go get the hunter. I don't know why I'm tired, don't ask, but I am. So I'm gonna go to sleep. And oh wait, no, first I'm gonna check and see if Victor is available. Oh yes! Let's go, guys. Okay, what do you want from me? 6 honey slimes and 2 crystal slimes. Okay, well at least we have a teleporter. I'm sorry if I said slimes. Whatever. So we need 6 and 2. 6 honey slimes. Don't worry, I'm getting you guys. 6 honey slimes. You guys are going to be going to a teleporter to who knows where. But yeah. Also guys, I don't remember if I did this off camera, but I got the advanced treasure cracker. I think I did that on camera. I'm like pretty much 100% sure. Where the heck are all these honey slimes at? Hunter, I'm taking you. No! Did you have to do that? Did you have to? I really hope you eat because I want one of your plorts. What do you eat? Oh, you eat only meat. Well, crap. Mr. That's your favorite food, so that means I can get. Please, that was a hunter. That was the hunter. Oh wait, guys, this isn't even where I get honey slimes. I'm useless. You go over. Where do you go? Oh wait, first guys, since I got sidetracked, I'm just gonna keep going with it anyways. I'm gonna get hunter slimes. I don't think I showed you guys this area yet, but yeah, it has hunter slimes, and they're much less rare than they usually are. This is where you most commonly find them. Where are you at? They're usually in this water. Don't ask why. I have no idea, but they are. So, I'm gonna find you, Hunter Slime. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you. And I'm gonna not. Actually, yes, I am gonna care about that target. Because he's gonna eat a Hunter Slime. Bye. Yes, I am so lucky. What should I mix this with? Not a boom. I need to mix it with something. Yeah, I'll mix it with quantum. Quantum. I have to mix it with quantum. I'm sorry, guys. I'm kind of not doing what we're supposed to be doing. So I need 6 honey slimes. Oh, sorry, guys. They're talking. Yeah, no. Why you have to do this? They're just nice, innocent slimes. Why you gotta do this to them? Yeah, sorry, guys, if I'm being annoying, but yeah. Oh, it's over here, Doc. I don't know why, guys, but I always get confused in this, in the moss blanket. I don't know why, but I do a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I need you. 4. I need 2 more. No. Not happening. And then, oh wait, no, that's a port. Where are your honey slimes at? Where are your honey slimes at? Yes, I have 6 honey slimes. That's good. That's all we need. But I need more phosphor slimes since I got sidetracked. Oh wait, no, I'm not doing it with phosphor slimes. I'm an idiot. Wait, what did we need? Oh, we need 2 crystal slimes. Well, crap. And then, what the heck? Oh, those are Q berries. Okay. These wham bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we need 2 crystal slimes. Crystal slimes. So we're going to the indigo quarry. And also, guys, I have no. Once again, I have no idea if I did this on camera or not. But I popped the rock gorda that was there. I probably told you guys. You guys probably know. But just in case I didn't tell you guys, then there, I told you. Is there anything over here? That would be a great spot for a treasure pod. The way I'm sitting right now, I mean laying, it hurts because my head is like up and my chin is hitting my chest. So if I sound weird, that's why. And now if I sound normal, that's why. Where am I going? Oh, no. 2 crystal slimes. I'm so excited, guys. We get to the Victor's Laboratory or whatever the heck it is. Okay, 1, 2. All I need to fall. That's literally all I needed to fall. I love falling, don't I? Like, subscribe, and turn notifications on, or else I'm gonna fall into these crystal slimes and probably die. Why can't I get up? Oh, there. No. Oh wait, blue. Blue treasure pot. I haven't opened this yet. That is so cool, guys, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's gotta be cool. Okay, we go this way, and after we go over here, we have to go. After we go back to the ranch, we have to go to the ancient ruins so we can get some quantum slimes. And guys, I'm gonna keep this for a surprise. So the only thing we're gonna do is we're gonna finish his request, and then when we're done getting the quantum slimes, I'm gonna go look at it. But I'm still gonna go look at it, but I'm not gonna go through the teleporter. I'm just gonna look at it to make sure it worked. So when I go back out, I can get more slimes if it didn't work. 3, 2, 1. Who wants this? Why the heck are you giving me carrots? No one likes carrots. You guys like roosters? What should I do? Oh. I have to check this. I remember Starmail. Victor. Miss Libra. I for you a confirmation. Blah 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 blah. Okay, we read it. Wasn't that I did a great job reading, right guys? Yeah! I did. Visit Victor's workshop. Actually, guys, I'm gonna start a notepad so I can remember things I'm supposed to do on videos, and I'm gonna put on there to go get quantum slimes because I cannot wait to go to visit Victor's workshop. So let's go. No chickens or carrots, only slimes. And yeah, guys, I was watching a video and they were going through all of this. And you guys will see how long this is. Right? Oh. Wait, what? How do you do this? What the heck? What the heck? How do I do this? See, there's literally so much. Oh, and also, guys, somewhere in this writing thing, it says you can suck up Gordos once you finish this task or whatever. What the heck is over here? Oh, I need an empty backpack. I've never said that before. So guys, since I need an empty vac, I am going to put this in a silo. Really hoping I can. Otherwise, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this. Yeah. I really hope I can put slimes inside of this. That makes no sense, but we can go with it. Please work. No. You know what I'm gonna do? I I'm literally just gonna do this. I'm literally just gonna go pow. Literally just do whatever the heck you want. Because I don't really want to do all of this stuff. Because it seems so cool. I'm just excited to see what I can do. Victor's Workshop. See, now that's green. But first I want to see what this is for. Oh, I know now, because when you need an empty backpack, you're supposed to put your stuff in here because you have 4 slots. That makes a lot of sense now. So let's go. What the heck is this stuff? What can you even do over there? I don't even know. Guys, this is just so really cool. What the heck is this stuff? What the heck is this? Okay, well, I guess we're gonna go ahead and do this. What the heck? This is so... What? Guys! What the heck is this thing? What does this do? What? Oh! I know, now I have to suck it up. Yo! That's so weird. Wait, let's do it on this. Oh, it doesn't do anything. What? I thought I got that glitch slime. Oh, wait, no, I got the pogo fruit and carrots. I don't want to pick up carrots. I want to pick up these glitch slimes. What the heck? You are a glitch? You look so weird. I want to like try and only get the glitch slimes that have weird faces like that one. What the heck? Guys, this is like so cool. Why does it say I have 1 glitch slime? I swear I have 2. Guys, this is so weird. This is like the weirdest thing ever. What the heck is this, guys? I wonder what happens if you go in the water. I'm sorry guys, they're laughing, but what the heck? Is that like a bridge or what? The heck is this? Yeah, I have got no idea. Why is there a Q-berry tree right there and a Q-berry tree right there? This is very odd. Oh, over there it's glitched too. What the heck, guys? I see something very weird over here. Oh, never mind. I thought the tree was down there. What the heck? What the heck? This is so weird. Guys, what the heck? I literally have no idea what the heck this is. Oh, you shoot at largos. Where are you going, glitch slime? You're a glitch slime. Where you at? Where you at, glitch slime? Oh, you probably ran into the ocean like a bad boy. Wait, what the heck, guys? Wait, what? This is weird. Are you guys confused? Because I sure am confused. What? This is literally so weird. You glitched. No, you're not. You have to look out for glitched largos. Then you shoot the debug spray on them. Oh, here you are. They look very ugly and very creepy. I'm sorry guys, they're laughing again, but what? Oh, I just saw him. This guy. Guys, real quick, I'm gonna go back and see if I have enough glitch slimes, because, man, this is weird. What the heck? Are those like black holes? What the heck? They have errors. Oh, exit portal activated. Why does it say I only have 4? What are the beacons? What beacons where? I don't see. Oh. It just said tar slime. Where the heck is my exit? Oh, here. Wait. What the heck? Follow these beacons. There's nothing. Oh, it's this way. Oh, I'm going this way. Oh, crap. I'm not supposed to go that way. I'm supposed to go this way. Weird, weird, weird. I bet it was pretty hard to create this. It's like, what in the world? It's so odd. This is literally so odd. Do you have to go throughout the whole entire world to do this? Wait, what the heck? This is really weird. Comment down below if you girl. What? How does this lead right into the moss blanket? Please don't need to go. Wants to go. Need to go this way. Are you kidding me now? I have to wait for me to charge up. Oh. What secret style is this? It's for... Here's our exit. Guys, that was weird, wasn't it? What do I do now? Okay. Wait. Do I need to get glitch slimes? But where are my glitch slimes? Do they go over here? No, that's weird. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Bye, Felicia. And by the way, I'm not joking. I know it seems like I am, but bye. How about this? I'm gonna close the video off with gold if this works. I don't actually. What should I use? I'm gonna use a lightsaber. Okay, Well, that's gonna do it for this video. So, wait, let me figure out how to do this. Oh, I'm sitting on my controller. Okay, well, let me figure this out real quick, guys. What the heck? I know this is a weird outro, but whatever. It works. So that's gonna do it for this video. Bye!